Tired of weak flushes and constant toilet repairs? Today we're breaking down the best toilet flush valves that deliver powerful performance, save water, and last longer. Whether you're fixing a leak or upgrading your bathroom, this guide has you covered. Check the link in the description for the best deals and details. Let's jump in. Ever had your toilet sound like it's practicing for a whistle solo at 2 a.m.? That exact frustration is why I ended up installing the Fluidmaster Universal Toilet Fill Valve. And honestly, it changed the whole bathroom vibe. Right out of the box, it feels solid for a plastic and rubber build. Installation is almost laughably simple. No tools, no plumbing degree, just twist, adjust, done. Most people get it running in about 5 minutes, and I can confirm that's not marketing talk. The height adjustment is smooth, fitting a wide range of tanks without drama. Once installed, the refill is fast and noticeably quieter than old school valves. Not silent for everyone though, and a few folks still notice a faint whistle during refill, especially with higher water pressure. Performance-wise, water flow is strong, and the adjustable dials let you fine-tune tank and bowl levels, which helps cut down water use over time. Price-wise, it usually sits in that affordable "why didn't I replace this sooner" range, and many feel the value punch is above its cost. On the downside, a small number of installs do experience leaks early on, so tightening everything correctly matters. Overall, it's a dependable upgrade that fixes noise, speed, and reliability in one item shot, with only minor quirks. Nothing kills your morning faster than a toilet that keeps running like it's late for work. That's where the Corky Long Life Toilet Fill Valve steps into the story. This one feels purpose-built for modern, low-water toilets, especially high-efficiency models. The materials feel sturdy for plastic and rubber, and the design focuses on delivering just the right amount of water. Not too much, not too weak. Installation is straightforward, with clear instructions that don't assume you're a plumber. In real use, the tank and bowl refill quickly, and adjusting the water level is smooth once you get the hang of it. Noise is where opinions split. Some setups run whisper quiet, while others produce a noticeable refill sound depending on water pressure and tank design. The valve generally sits in a reasonable price range, and many feel it's solid value considering how well it fixes running and weak flush issues. That said, a few installs do experience leaks over time, and noise consistency isn't guaranteed across every toilet. Still, when it's dialed in correctly, flushing feels stronger, refills feel faster, and water usage stays efficient. It's not flashy, but it's a practical, performance-focused fix that works for most homes, especially newer toilets. Ever wished your toilet could tell the difference between a quick visit and a full commitment? That's exactly the idea behind the Hoopiooro 3-inch dual flush valve, and it's surprisingly satisfying to use. This is a full inside tank upgrade, not just a single part. You get the dual flush valve, push button, fill valve, gaskets, and hardware. Basically a full refresh. Build quality feels sturdy thanks to thick ABS plastic and reinforced seals, and everything fits snug once installed. Installation takes a bit longer than a basic fill valve, but it's still DIY friendly. The adjustable heights and button rods help dial in a precise fit, especially for two-piece toilets. Once running, the dual flush system really shines. Light flushes save water, and full flushes hit hard enough to clear everything confidently. Noise during refill is impressively low for most setups, and water efficiency becomes noticeable on utility bills over time. Price-wise, it often lands below the cost of replacing a full toilet, which makes the value feel strong. Downsides? It won't work with one-piece toilets, and measuring before buying is critical. But when installed correctly, it makes an old toilet feel brand new, smoother, quieter, and smarter. There's something comforting about fixing a problem in under 10 minutes. That's the experience many have with the American Standard Universal Toilet Fill Valve, especially if you're replacing an older factory part. The package includes everything needed, which instantly lowers stress levels. Installation is quick and familiar, particularly if your toilet already uses American Standard components. The build feels lightweight but functional, and it fits neatly inside most tanks without awkward adjustments. Once installed, performance is a mixed bag depending on setup. Some tanks refill noticeably faster and quieter, while others take a bit longer than expected. Noise levels also vary. Some setups run quietly, others are more noticeable during refill. The price tends to sit slightly higher than generic options, which sparks debate. Some feel it's worth paying extra for brand compatibility, while others expect more durability for the cost. Over time, a few users notice wear or parts loosening, which isn't ideal for high-use bathrooms. Still, when it works well, it works really well, solving running toilets quickly with minimal effort. It's a solid replacement option if compatibility matters most, just not the most bulletproof choice on the list. If your toilet flush feels tired and underwhelming, this upgrade wakes it right up. The Fluidmaster High Performance Toilet Fill Valve is designed to restore that new toilet feel without replacing the whole thing. This kit includes both the fill valve and a water-saving flapper, which already adds value. Installation is fast and forgiving, especially for side flush setups. Height adjustment is smooth, and once it's locked in, everything feels secure. In daily use, refilling is quick and noticeably quiet for most people. The adjustable tank and bowl controls give you real control over water usage, which helps balance performance and efficiency. Many feel the flush becomes stronger and more consistent almost immediately. Price-wise, it usually falls into a mid-range category, and plenty of people feel it saves money by avoiding plumber visits. Durability is generally solid, though a small number of setups experience dripping from adjustment points, if not sealed perfectly. Overall, it's a confident, performance-focused upgrade that delivers stronger flushes, quieter refills, and real adjustability, with only minor installation precision required. Turning a standard toilet into a water-saving one without removing the tank sounds too good to be true. That's exactly what the Danco HyrdroRight Universal Dual Flush Valve promises, and mostly delivers. This is a drop-in dual flush converter, meaning no tools and no tank removal. Installation usually takes under 10 minutes, which feels almost suspiciously easy. The split handle design lets you choose between a quick flush or full flush, and over time, that can noticeably reduce water usage. The silicone seal is thick and chemical resistant, designed to eliminate the classic flapper leak problem. When it seals properly, leaks disappear completely. However, not every setup gets a perfect seal, and that's where mixed experiences come in. Flushing performance ranges from excellent to slightly underwhelming, depending on toilet design. The price generally feels reasonable, especially for the water savings potential, but it's not compatible with all toilets. Mansfield models are a no-go. When it works, it feels clever, efficient, and satisfying. When it doesn't, adjustments can be finicky. Still, it's a creative solution for saving water without major plumbing work. Sometimes all a toilet needs is a quiet, no-nonsense fix. That's where the R&TA 1320 toilet fill valve fits into the picture. This valve focuses on simplicity, quick install, adjustable height, and quiet operation. The quick locking nut makes tool-free installation genuinely easy, and most people finish the job in just a few minutes. Build quality feels solid for the price, with durable PVT material handling pressure well. Once installed, the refill is fast and usually very quiet, which is a huge upgrade from noisy, aging valves. Adjusting the float controls water level, though opinions vary. Some find it smooth, others find it a bit stubborn. The price typically sits on the budget-friendly side, making it attractive for rental properties or quick repairs. Fit can be hit or miss depending on tank size, and a few installs report leaks, similar to what they were trying to fix. Still, when it fits correctly, performance is reliable and efficient. It's not flashy, but it gets the job done quietly, and sometimes that's exactly what you want. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you choose the right toilet flush